Sowing the Seeds of Doubt, Planned Obsolescence in Agriculture. Hello everyone, I'm Jim Perchio, Executive Vice President, Earth Crew Incorporated. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial to our food system, our environment, and the livelihoods of millions of farmers. Planned obsolescence in agriculture. Let's get started. Let's start with the foundation of agriculture seeds. For centuries, farmers saved seeds from their harvest to plant the next year. But over the last century, the landscape has changed dramatically with the rise of hybrid seeds. Hybrid seeds, often touted for their higher yields, don't breed true, forcing farmers to purchase new seeds every year. Adding to this complexity are genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, which often come with patents restricting seed saving. I remember when we used to save our seeds, but now, we're buying new ones every season. It's a tough pill to swallow, knowing that we don't have the same control over our crops as we used to. Now let's move from seeds to farm machinery. Tractors and combines are the workhorses of modern agriculture, but even these essential tools are getting caught in the web of planned obsolescence. Repairs that farmers use to handle themselves now often require specialized tools, software, and expertise controlled by the manufacturer. Adding fuel to the fire is the issue of software lock-in. Many modern tractors rely on proprietary software, limiting the use of generic or third-party parts. This can be incredibly frustrating for farmers who are used to tinkering with and adapting their equipment. This cycle of repair and replace puts a significant financial strain on farmers already facing tight margins. Let's talk about another aspect of agriculture caught in the cycle of planned obsolescence: pesticides and fertilizers. One major issue is the development of resistance. As pests and weeds are repeatedly exposed to the same chemicals, they can develop resistance, making the pesticides and herbicides less effective over time. Many synthetic fertilizers release nutrients quickly, leading to a short-term boost in growth, but also nutrient runoff, polluting waterways. This cycle of resistance and depletion creates a dependence on chemical companies, forcing farmers to purchase more products to maintain yields. It's a system that's not only costly for farmers, but also has detrimental impacts on the environment. Finally, let's look at the increasing role of technology in agriculture, which presents new avenues for planned obsolescence. Precision agriculture can help optimize resource use, and data analysis can provide valuable insights into crop performance. However, many precision agriculture systems operate on subscription models, requiring farmers to pay recurring fees for software access, data analysis, and technical support. Moreover, like with smartphones, there's a constant push for upgrades. Newer sensors, software updates, and more powerful hardware are continually released, often with the implication that the older versions will become obsolete or incompatible. This constant need to upgrade can trap farmers in a cycle of technological dependency, making them reliant on companies not just for inputs and equipment, but also for the very information and technology they need to farm. So, as we've seen, planned obsolescence in agriculture is a multifaceted issue with far-reaching consequences. It impacts farmers' financial stability, their independence, and the long-term health of our environment. Understanding these practices is crucial for advocating for more sustainable and equitable agricultural systems. We need to support policies that promote seed saving, right-to-repair legislation for farm equipment, and research into ecological farming practices that reduce reliance on chemical inputs. Be part of the solution, not the pollution. It's time we cultivate a future where agriculture is a force for good for both people and the planet.